In this episode, we are going to be doing area of composite shapes. I don't know how to talk, anyways. So, yes, so we're going to be doing this. So, we're going to be figuring out the shape here. So, I had a lot of trouble with this. So, after I understand it, I am passing on some of my wisdom to other people, so they now know how to do it. Alright, so, first, these two shapes are the same, these two triangles, just for reference. We'll do a blue triangle here, and a blue triangle here. And then we can just do a red triangle here. I red square right there. So, the blue triangle, as we can see, is 2 by 2, height times, but as we look at our formula, base times height, we have to divide that by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. And there's a second one, which is the exact same formula. So 2 times 2, base times height. Base is the top line, then the height is that, so divide by 2. So both of those add up to 4. And then there's a square, which, we see this height is 2. See by this little number. And then on the bottom, there is also a 2. So we're going to do 2 times 2 is, but we don't, according to our square formula here, we don't have to divide by 2. And that's because this triangle is half the area. Because if we just took the triangle and, like, turned it, a different way, we could have, like, a square. So, hope that helped you understand a little bit. That's 8 units. Now we will, now we gotta find shapes here. So, let's see. Here is going to be our first shape. And here's going to be our second shape. See? So, this line right here is, 1. So, the first one here, you may think it's 1 times 4, but it's not because, I'll show you. Because 4 is also stretching up here into our other shape. But, as we know, there's a 2 up here, and this is 4, there must be a 2 down here. So we're going to do 1 times 2 for this shape. This shape, we'll do green shape. Sure. So for this green shape we have right here, the area is 2. Now for this triangle here, it's basically the exact same, except this is half of that. So basically, also there's a formula I showed later on in the video. So base times height divided by 2. So we're going to do base, which is also 1, because we know that there's a 2 here, and there's a 1 right there for that. So there must be a 1 over here as well. So we are going to do 1 times 2 divided by 2. So that makes 3. That looks really sad. That looks weird. 3. So far we have 3. And over here, this square is just a 2 times 2, which is 4, which adds that. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So there we go. We doing good. Ooh, this looks like a trickier one. Alright, so let's break it down now. What we got. Oh, that was almost perfect. Whoa. So, we have 9-0 across. So let's just start with let's just start with a smaller shape, you know? That might be nice to do. So anyways, so we'll just do this square, which is this is 9, and this is 2, and this is 5. So we know here the gap must be 2. So the square is just simply 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 for the red square. Color that in, because it's not important anymore. And from this, we know this is a 2 times 2, but it has to be divided by 2. So all this is 4 so far. We have, oh wait, oops, it's 6. Sorry, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. And over here we have a shape that is 2 times 5, but we gotta divide it by 2. So it's 5 plus, we had 6, so now we're at 11. So this bottom part right here is equal to 11. We'll do this light blue triangle, and we'll have a dark blue, this. Just for reference, and now we gotta do 3.5 times 9, which I'm gonna give me 2 seconds here. 31.5. Sorry about that. Long pause. I should have just paused the recording. That's an option on the website I'm using to record this. So, this whole area is 31.5. So, the green square is 31.5. See? Now, we don't have to divide anything from that. So, 31.5. So, it's a big number. So, we're gonna add 11 to that. So we got 32.5, and now we got 42.5. So I hope that's correct, because, please, yay! I know what I'm doing. We're gonna get a black line right down there. Area of composite shapes. This is the last problem we're gonna be doing. So this is 7.5 all the way across, but we know it's 2.5 down here. So. Which makes that so this is 5, so there's 2.5 over here, 2.5 over here, which makes it so this red triangle, I'll just do like a tiny little part now, this red triangle and this red triangle right here, they are both the same. So now all we have to do is figure out the area of 1. So doing calculations, we know that 2.5 minus 7.5 is 5, so now we have to spread the 5 over these, but they look equal, so each of these tops are 2.5, so we can just do like 2.5. And also we know that this the height is 2.5 as well. So we just do like 2.5 times 2.5. So I'm just making sure I know what. I'm just making sure this is correct. Really don't want to mess it up now. Yep, 6.2. I thought. So, so for all this area, it's going to be 6.2, covering both of these. Now, you may think we're going to have to do another 6.25, but remember, we have to divide it by 2. And we have to divide, so these are the same. So we don't have to divide it by 2 because there's 2 shapes. So 6.25. And now, all we have to do is, we can do 2.5 times 2.5, which is also 6.25. So we are going to do 12.5. And that'll be all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.